Hello everyone, welcome to video lectures of food technology. I am Pavana Chennupati. Today we are going to discuss the topic pigments. In the previous video, we discussed the pigments which are important in the food industry and their classification, and we discussed briefly about the plant pigments. Today we are going to discuss about the animal pigments that are myoglobin and hemoglobin, which is important for the GATE syllabus. Moving on to the topic, myoglobin. Myoglobin is a globular protein that binds both iron and oxygen and consists of a singular polypeptide chain. This feature of myoglobin enables the organism to withhold breathe for a longer time in presence of more myoglobin in the muscle. Molecular weight of myoglobin is 16.8 kilodaltons and it comprised of 153 amino acids. It is responsible for the majority of the red color of the muscle, composed of protein part and non-protein part. The protein part is called globin and non-protein part is called heme. The chromophore component responsible for the light absorption and color is a porphyrin ring known as heme, which is composed of four pyrrole rings joined together and linked to a central iron atom which is in plus 2 oxidation state. In myoglobin, only one globin molecule is attached to a heme group. Coming to the structure of myoglobin, this is the structure of myoglobin. At the center, iron atom is attached to four pyrrole rings. At the fifth site, it is attached to oxygen atom, and at the other site, it is attached to the globin protein. In fresh meat, the iron atom is in the ferrous, that is plus 2 oxygen state, bound to an oxygen molecule. When meat is cooked well, it is brown because the iron atom has now become into plus 2 oxygen state, losing an electron, and this compound is known as metmyoglobin. If meat has been exposed to nitrites, it will remain pink because the iron atom is bound to nitric oxide. Example, corned beefs or cured meats, and this compound is known as nitrosomyoglobin. When nitrate crude meat is heated, there is a thermal denaturation of globin and nitric oxide myochrome complex which has more intense pink color is formed. This iron will be still in ferrous state. Grilled meats can also take on pink color. Smoke ring that comes from the iron binding to a molecule of carbon monoxide. Raw meat packed in a carbon monoxide atmosphere also shows the same pink smoke ring due to the same principle. Coming to the hemoglobin, hemoglobin is a component of red blood cells that forms reversible complexes with oxygen in the lung. This complex is distributed via blood to various tissues and cells throughout the animal where oxygen is needed. Myoglobin within tissue acts in a similar fashion, accepting the oxygen carried by hemoglobin and storing it within the tissues for metabolism. Composed of protein part, that is globin, and non-protein part, heme, similar to myoglobin. In hemoglobin, four globin molecules are attached to four heme groups. Hemoglobin molecule is composed of four polypeptide chains. Two alpha chains made up of 141 amino acid residues each and two beta chains of 146 amino acid residues each. Alpha and beta chains have different sequence of amino acids but fold up to form similar three-dimensional structures. The heme porphyrin is present within a hydrophobic pocket of globin protein and bound to histidine residue in the hemoglobin molecule. The centrally located iron atom possesses six coordination sites, four of which are occupied by the nitrogen atoms within the tetrapyrrole ring. The fifth coordination site is bound by the histidine residue of globin, leaving the sixth site available to complex with electronegative atoms denoted by various ligands, primarily oxygen, nitric oxide, and carbon monoxide. Coming to the structure of hemoglobin, this is the structure of hemoglobin. At the center, iron atom is attached to the 4 pyrrole ring, and at the fifth site, it is attached to histidine molecule. Sixth site is left for the molecules like carbon monoxide, oxygen, and nitric oxide. And this is the structure of hemoglobin. As we have discussed earlier, the two alpha chains and two beta chains, and this is structure of heme. Hope you all gathered the contents of this video.